Here's a quick fucking idea. How about on the ESCA forums, you have all these general discussion places. How about we just have a forum dedicated? It'll be called Find a Ringer. That's the name of the forum, all right? And people go there and they post topics, okay? They post their little threads, and they're like, ESEA Open Team needs a ringer for, Mirage, or, even a main team. I mean, like, other higher teams might not need this because obviously they know people and they can get people to ring for them. But I think for the lower rungs, you'll definitely have more people scrimming uh, because they'll be able to find people to scrim with. Like, so many times you have an open team or a main team or an IM team, and they're sitting in Mumble together, and there's four people because your teammate, your fifth player, his sister's getting her crotch operated on or something, so he's in the emergency room, and you guys can't scrim. Why? Because we don't have five. Oh, so let's pug. So now you have all these different, like, 3 Qs and 4 Qs, of teams, like actual teams, just pugging. They're pugging instead of scrimming, so they're playing against pugs. So I think there'd be more scrims and more people would be scrimming in general. Or like a guy who, let's say, he has 4 different teammates and they're all not in the mumble. They're not all like prepared and ready. He's warmed up. He wants to play, but one teammate of his is sleeping all day, so he messed up his sleep schedule because he just marathoned Game of Thrones or something, and his other teammate, his pet stubbed his toe against a car, so his other teammate's at the vet, one teammate's eating dinner, with his long estranged father or something, so this guy's sitting in Mumble alone, and he doesn't have anybody to play with, so instead he just goes solo queues a pug. How about instead he responds to this other team and is like, yeah, I can ring for you guys, or even somebody who's not on a team, who's just like, yeah, all I do is pug, but I'd like to get introduced in the team environment, and can I ring for you guys in a scrim? And they're like, yeah, sure, we don't care. Just come ring for us in a scrim and just like listen to what we say, and you'll be filling in this guy's shoes who's not here, and you'll get team experience, you'll get scrim experience from it, and we'll get team experience, we'll get scrim experience from it, and more people will be scrimming. Kind of like back in the MIRC days, except nobody's on MIRC or IRC anymore. They're all on the ESA forums and like idling the ESA forums a lot of the times or checking it on their phone. How about just having a find a ringer thing that will come up, and it'll even be in like the recent discussion where it'd be like, ESA main team needs ringer, ESCA Open Team needs ringer, and we'll see who responds and who doesn't, and go from there. I mean, I think that would be a great idea, but that's just me.